Let's go, okay, what have they done to Billy? Hey guys, so we're gonna be we are indoors, and then you guys don't know why. There is an update come. Modifiers, yes, so this is what people are talking about. And I don't care. So there are modifiers that's actually really cool. Oh my god, he got the A1000 badge. Oh my god, is that a zombie? Billy? What have they done to Billy's head? What happened? No, why would they do that? Maybe it's because it's a, okay. And you can still see the outside. And then, we got modifiers. Yay! So, it can't be that bad, right? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. What in the... What was that? Dude, that's a lot of modifiers. Jeez, you can't be that many. Jeez, you can't do that. Out of stuff? What? I don't know what are these. I'm everywhere. Screech can attack in any room. Okay. Oh, that's hard. Okay, so let's try one of the modifiers. So let's try the modifiers. Let's see if they're good. Uh-oh, what is this one? Activates a random modifier, okay? Activates 3 random modifiers, okay. Okay, lights on. Less rooms will be dark. Okay, so there's no dark rooms. That's actually really cool. Electrical works. Lights will never flicker on or break. Includes entity warnings. Okay, that's cool. And you got bad electrical. More rooms will be dark. Lights will flicker and break. Okay. Most rooms will be dark even during attacks. Okay, so let's. Okay, El Goblino on break. More gold can be found. El Goblino of break. Less gold can be found. Look at that socket. Let's do more gold can be found. And now we can do. Let's do electrical work because that looks really hard. So let's try that. And then do more stuff. More items can be found. Okay, nice. Less items can be found. Okay. Let's do this one. Let's do that one. And go where in here? Oh, okay, that's... Oh, what the? Where's the three? Okay. Bad ventilation. Oh, okay, that sounds challenging. A few places to hide. Okay. Tripped and fell. Okay, let's do this one. That'll be good. Don't skip leg day. Okay. Injuries. My legs are killing me. My knees are killing me. What? What is happening? Okay, good time. Okay. Okay, let's do that one. That looks challenging. Rush hour. Oh, this one is song. Okay. Rush will attack more often. I'm running here. I'm tiptoeing here. Wrong number. Okay, let's do that one. And a rush hour. Because rush hour sounds good. Duo always spawn. Always spawn. And it's set to maximum difficulty. Let's do wrong number. Wrong number sounds good. Think fast. Okay, let's do that one. Wrong number, that was like a good. Always want to spawn more. Okay, I will spawn more. I will always spawn. Okay, that sounds really annoying. Come back here. Bigger is faster. Nope. Okay, 6 will be longer and start early. Oh my god, that's so annoying. 5 seconds. And which will attack more. That was actually good. Roundabout. Hope is Garant. Oh my god, Garant. Oh, I can't pronounce that. To attack and it thinks. Okay, I don't know what that. But more difficult. Okay. Okay. Snare cautiously spawns throughout the floor and rents duo. Hide will attack as fast as possible. Okay, let's do that. And that's it. And I just noticed there are new badges, so let's see that. Oh wait, there is. Who tell heck? Not 5 stars. Okay. And here are the tower heroes. The tower heroes are still going. I don't even. Okay, squat. Okay, let's do hotel. Do we do it? Great. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, let's do this. This looks actually really cool too. This looks actually really cool too. Okay. Okay. Dude, I'm so excited. This is just a small this is just a small update, so there's nothing much, but don't worry. Ah, okay. I have 206. Let's get lots of that. Okay. Oh, 18 more. What? Oh my god. Okay, I think I shouldn't do that. Okay. What the? Oh wait, that's electrical work, right? That's the electrical work. Yeah, this is gonna be a problem. Yeah, this is gonna be a problem. 18. Okay, so this is a challenge here. We're doing a challenge now. We're doing challenges. 18 modifiers. Not bad, okay? Not bad. Not bad at all. 18 modifiers. That's so. I deserve. That's hard. Okay, that's hard, bro. It's hard. Okay, play again. Dude, this is hard. 18 modifiers. Jeez, okay. Guys, never do 18 modifiers because it's actually challenging. Okay, this is actually challenging. Not gonna lie, this is actually challenging. This is challenging. did not expect that. The rift is oh. That's like the worst place to die. Okay. What does that mean in door 50 it's gonna be door 4? Nah, it can't be. I know she's there because oh my god. Bro! I spent all of my knobs. Okay, so yeah, so let's try it again. Hope we're gonna do this. Okay. Lights on. Yes, okay. Less rooms will be dark. Okay. El Goblino on break, we'll do that. And then we will do and we'll do less stuff. And we're gonna wet floor, the floor is slippery. And then a few places to hide. Okay, no, we're gonna do that. Okay. Enter with okay. It can be don't skip leg day. Movement speed is it's faster. Okay, that's good. Injuries. Missing health will also reduce speed. Do that and then bad time. Okay. Rush hour will attack boar. Okay, wrong number. Oh, okay. Think fast. Okay. Bug spray. Itchy. Its bite can be faithful. Jeez. Okay, always watching. I will always spawn. I will spawn more. No. Come back here. Faster. Okay, it will be longer. Watch your step. Okay. And that's it. Okay, let's create. Okay, oh. Let's try 4 people. Wait, can you not recommend it? Okay. Okay. Now let's go to 4 people. Oh. Let's do this chaos. Okay. I don't know if okay, how many modifiers? How many modifiers? I think they're like 5. Nope, it's 13. Okay. Okay, 13 modifiers. Okay. What? Okay. Whoa. Oh wait, he left. Okay. Oh, the floor is slippery. Okay, that's weird. Or maybe it's the slippery one. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Slippery. Okay. Oh, what the? Okay. Okay, this is a challenge, okay? Okay, this is a challenge, okay, guys? This is a challenge. And then, oh, which door, where are we? Let's try this one. Of course! Oh my god! Jeez, that's so much damage. Number 4. 5. Okay. Okay, that's not good. Let's go to 6. Okay, thank you. Band-aid. Okay, 6. Okay, right. Oh my goodness! Everything's white now, so I'm guessing it's gonna be easy. And then, except for the green house, I think. Stop. 9. And then 10. 10. 11. Oh, 13, okay. 13. It's 13, right? 13. Thank you. 13. Okay, it's 13, I know. It's 13, I know. What the? The lights didn't even flicker. Oh man. Okay, 18 minutes. Okay. Okay, guys. Check out the update by yourself and try beating it because I can't beat it. And comment down below if I should live stream on like beating the game and stuff and with modifiers. And then like, share, and subscribe to these videos so I can have more views and more likes. Bye. And then bye. Also, actually, I'm gonna tell you the release date of episode 4 Huggy and Red. It's in September. It's September. Okay. So bye.